Asana tutorial for beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser and going to Asana.com. If you already have an account, just log in with your email and password. But if you're new to Asana, click the Get Started button to begin creating a new account. You'll be asked to enter your email address, full name, and a brief description of your work. Once that's completed, click Continue, and you'll be directed straight to the homepage. From here, look to the left sidebar and click the plus button next to the Projects section to create a new project. A pop-up will appear. Select Blank Project to start from scratch. Next, type in your project name and click the Continue button. You'll be given a few options for your project layout. Whether you prefer to work in a Gantt view, calendar view, or more, select whichever one fits your workflow best, and then click Create Project. Once your project is set up, you can start customizing it by adding your first task, assigning it to a team member, setting a due date, and customizing the project however you like.